Okay guys, this is just going to be a real short video on the Toro Timemaster. If yours has the electric start and it will not start, there is a reason for that. It's either one, you got a dead battery, or two, you need to replace your battery. Put my gas cap back on here. But there's something I have seen on this lawnmower that I have not found on YouTube. If you look right there, if you follow your handle down from here, from where the ignition is, follow your wire harness all the way down to here, go follow it down into here. You'll look, see if I can zoom in on that for you now. Yeah, there we go. It's this right here. There's a fuse in there. Now, there's a little bolt right back here. You take that out, take this off, pull this apart, and there's a fuse in there. And it's a little 40 amp fuse. I believe that's correct. Let me show you what I have here. Make it easier for you. This is the fuse you will need. I have bought a pack of them. It's a 40 amp, I believe that's correct, fuse. If you can see that. Replace that and your Toro Timemaster should crank right back up. I would do that before I bought a new battery or bought a new charger. Of course, charge it first, try that. If that doesn't work, trace that wire harness down to that plug and pull it apart, and there's a 40 amp fuse in there. Pop it in there, you should be good to go. All right guys, thanks.